how to make your joystick bigger, longer and stronger naturally. You are not going to take anything, but there is something that I want to recommend, which if you do it, it will make you to achieve this target. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know what you will do that will help you to have a bigger joystick and to also have it strong and longer. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If today is your first time to come across this channel, consider now to be a member of this channel by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are you going to do to make your joystick bigger, stronger and longer? It is very simple. You are going to do just two things which are very important, and these two things are very natural. If you can do these two things consistently for 1 month, you will achieve this target. So what are the two things, or how are you going to make this happen? How are you going to make your joystick bigger, stronger and longer? All you have to do is to do exercise on daily basis. If you can do exercise, either jumping, running, jogging, swimming, make sure that you embark on regular exercise. Do it for 30 minutes every day for complete 1 month, 2 months. Watch your joystick, how big it is going to be or how long it is going to be. And with this, it will also help you to always last longer, because as you are doing exercise, you are increasing your testosterone. Do you know that testosterone will help you to have your organ bigger? And any man that have a good joystick or a bigger joystick, it is the work of testosterone. If you keep doing regular exercise on daily basis, it will help you to have a good testosterone, and this testosterone will make you to have a bigger joystick, longer and stronger, and also improve your performance. And bear in mind that as you are doing this exercise, the sweat coming out of your body system is coming out with sugar, and once sugar is going out of your body, it will help you to last longer as a man. Now, the second thing which will help you to have a longer and stronger joystick is to always eat good food. Make sure that any food you are taking is very healthy. If you eat a healthy food coupled with regular exercise, you are going to make your joystick bigger, longer and stronger naturally. So that is what I want to share in this video. If you get value, consider now to subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, or you want me to make any video for you, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video, let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck and good health. Bye.